In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix monitor out of range 60 Hz slash 67.5 kHz. So first, right click display settings. Down here, click advanced display. Select the display. And here you're going to see the Hertz. So what you're going to do is try to switch between these Hertz and see whatever works, and whichever works you're gonna keep it like so. If you go to the second display, you're gonna do the same. So try to switch between these Hertz, and whatever works, just keep it. So after that, you can try another solution, and that's to go to this device manager, display adapters, and just update the drivers. So update this driver and update this driver. And here you can just choose the driver and then click next and update. And make sure to restart your computer after updating.